This is the Suzuki Gixxer SF250 2021. Looks really great and macho and all. But not this particular one. This doesn't belong from 2021, I guess. Oh my god, here again. So here are a few pictures of my bike when it looked like a man with shaved head because it had no aftermarket visor. But still, notice that the rear view mirror had already started chipping back then. This is a picture of the bike after getting the visor. Looks great, but rear view mirrors with no paint made the bike look old. So I wanted to get them changed under the warranty because the bike is just 6 months old when the paint started chipping. I've already mentioned about it during the service, but there was no response. So I decided to get them changed from the Suzuki under warranty by sending them a mail. Let's check out the process and how.
So, hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about getting your parts replaced under the warranty if you own a Suzuki. As I have seen the process and got my rear view mirrors changed under the Suzuki warranty, I want to make it clear that the process is really simple and you don't have to contact any person. All you have to do is just send the Suzuki team a mail, and their response was so quick, and I hope you will be finding this video really helpful. So all I did was took a few pictures of the bike where you can clearly see that the rear view mirrors have lost paint and they are eventually making the bike look old. So I sent Suzuki a mail saying that rear mirrors have lost the paint and they are making the bike look old. So I sent a mail on the same and attached a few pictures too. So the response from the Suzuki team was really quick, and I've sent the email today. Suppose if I sent the mail today, there was a response tomorrow, and they have also assigned me the nearest dealership, the work, and the next day I went to the showroom and got them replaced. The process is really simple, so I'm going to show you the mail and the response from them and how much time did the process take and everything. So continue watching, and I hope this video will be helpful for you.
Here is the mail that I've sent to the customer queries. As you can see, the title of the mail is 9 months old bike losing paint on rear view mirrors. And here is the response email from the Suzuki after I raised a complaint. This is the so and so reference number, and that's it. After that, I've got the mails from my nearest dealership. It's Padmaja Suzuki, and this is what it stated: the reference number and the complaint mail dated so and so and everything, the bike's registration number, and that's it. Here is another email saying the same. There's a phone number and the works manager. That's it. And let's go to the work straight away and see how much time did it take. The next day at the service center.
So guys, I'm here at the Suzuki showroom or the service center for getting this rear view mirrors changed. It is looking really bad. So many people have already asked me regarding the same. I don't know why it started dipping here, and there's another part also where the paint has started already coming off, or it started to chip. This is the part. I'll add a photo of this part, you can understand. Yeah. Now they have just contacted the Suzuki team for getting this mirrors changed. As of now, there's no update regarding that particular part. We'll see how much of time it takes to get that changed too.
The service manager there took some photos of the rear view mirrors and talked to someone on the phone and got their approval for getting the rear view mirrors changed under the warranty. Then I had to wait for some time till they got the rear view mirrors, new rear view mirrors actually, from their warehouse. There were so many Access 125s for the service. I think a lot of service centers are actually run by the Access 125 owners because Suzuki sells a lot of these mopeds more than bikes. And these are the old rear view mirrors. You can see they are in bad condition, and this is the new rear view mirror. That's it. And the process kept going on. They just it's not that quite easy because the screws are really tight, because these actually don't vibrate even at high speeds, and I actually love their design too. And here is the picture of the bike after getting the rear view mirrors changed. They add some new charm to the bike. The work is really good and great.
That's it for the video, and thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel, please do check out my other videos on the Suzuki Gixxer SF250. Hope you have liked the video, and please do subscribe, like and share. And also do comment if you want to know something about the bike or have any questions regarding the same. Thanks. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye. We'll be back with another video soon.